Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. I'm going to show you one trick to fix your iPhone if you think your iPhone is broken. And this is the very first thing you want to try, whether your phone is completely dead, it doesn't work, and you think it's broken or whatever may be the case. This is something you want to go ahead and try. And hopefully when you do this, your phone is magically fixed. So what is this? It's called a forced restart. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down. It has to be quick, one after another, and then you're gonna hold that side button till the screen shows up again if it's dead or the Apple logo reappears. So I'm gonna show you how that's done. Volume up, volume down, and then I hold the side button, and automatically, either if it's turned on, it will have a message like this. So you're gonna keep on holding it till it turns completely black. And if it's completely black, wait till the Apple logo appears. Sometimes it takes about 10, even 15 seconds. And when the Apple logo shows up, you're in business now. And hopefully any issue you thought you might have been having with your iPhone is fixed. And what this does is when we do that volume up, volume down, you may be wondering this is doing. Well, it's activating this trigger action on the phone, which tells it to go ahead and completely shut down if it's having issues, and then reload the code so that if it's related to the software of the phone, it will fix it. Now, this method will not delete any of your personal data, so photos, videos, apps, all will be still there. But again, one of the very first and the most important troubleshooting step you want to know if you're an iPhone user, which is volume up and down, and then hold that side button. So I hope this quick little magic trick help you guys fix your phone. If so, please click the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.